Hello students, good morning. In the last class we saw about matter. What is called as matter? Can you please recognize what is called as matter? Yes, anything which has mass and occupies space in our surroundings is called as matter. And also we saw that matter is composed of atoms. Atom is a tiny particle. Matter is made by atoms. And we saw molecules too. What is molecule? How it is formed? When atoms combine together in a fixed ratio, we'll be getting molecule. Is it clear? Okay. Now, in this class, we are going to see the classification of molecules. How molecules are classified. We are going to classify the molecules according to two criteria. The first one, the classification 1. It is based on the number of atoms present in a molecule. Is it okay? By counting the number of molecules, we can say that what kind of molecule it is. Okay, okay. So the first one is monoatomic molecule. Students, first you must know this numeral. In chemistry, mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3, then tetra 4, penta 5, and so on. But here, after tri, we'll use a common word, poly. The word poly means many. Okay, okay. So what is mono? 1, di 2, then tri 3. Okay, so monoatomic molecule. Can you please tell me what can be monoatomic molecule? Very good. If a molecule is made by only one atom, then the molecule will be termed as monoatomic molecule. Okay, what is monoatomic molecule? If a molecule is made by only one atom, then it is called as monoatomic molecule. The examples are noble gases, helium, neon, argon. They will always be existing as a single atom. So such kind of atoms are called as monoatomic molecules. Okay, okay. Then second one is diatomic molecule. Di means what I have told you? 2. Which means, can you tell me the definition? What can be diatomic molecule? If a molecule is made of 2 atoms, then it is called as a diatomic molecule. Okay, okay. Examples are O2, N2, O2 oxygen molecule, dioxygen. It's made by how many oxygen atoms? 2 oxygen atoms. Then nitric oxide, NO. It's made by 2 atoms, 1 nitrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Okay, so it is also a diatomic molecule. Hydrogen, H2 is a diatomic molecule since it's made by 2 hydrogen atoms. So I think you all might have understood what is diatomic molecule. If a molecule is made by 2 atoms, then it will be called as a diatomic molecule. Then triatomic molecules. Tri means what? 3. Which means, what can be triatomic molecule? If a molecule is made of 3 atoms, those 3 atoms may be same or different. Okay, so those molecules are called as triatomic molecules. The examples are sulfur dioxide, SO2, then carbon dioxide, CO2, and so on. Ozone, O3. Okay, so O3 is made by 3 oxygen atoms, same oxygen atoms. So okay, then sulfur dioxide, SO2, made by 1 sulfur and 2 oxygen. Carbon dioxide, 3 atoms, 1 carbon and 2 oxygen atoms. So these are the examples for triatomic molecules. And then finally we are going to see what is called as polyatomic molecules. I have told you what is the meaning of poly. Poly means many. Okay, so we can say if a molecule contains more than 3 atoms, we can say it is a polyatomic molecule. The examples are phosphate, PO4, 1 phosphorus, 4 oxygens, 1 plus 4, 5. So more than 3 atoms, so it's called as polyatomic molecule. Then sulfur, S8. It's made by how many sulfur atoms? 8 sulfur atoms. So it's also a polyatomic molecule. Are you able to understand, students? This is the classification 1, and this is based on the number of atoms present in a molecule. Monoatomic molecules means made by only 1 atom. Diatomic means made by 2 atoms. Triatomic means made by 3 atoms. Whereas polyatomic, in the sense, the molecule is made by more than 3 atoms. Okay, okay. Then second classification, it is based on the type of atom. Okay, whether the molecule is made by same kind of atoms or different kinds of atoms. Okay, in your textbook it's given that molecules of elements, or in a common way we can say homoatomic molecules. Students, do you know what is the meaning of the term homo? Yes, homo means same. then it will be easy, how to define these molecules of elements. Homoatomic molecule means if a molecule is made by same kind of atoms, then the molecule will be called this homoatomic molecule. Then what can be the another kind of molecule? Surely it will be hetero, since the opposite of homo is hetero, no? Okay, molecules of elements, it's also called as homoatomic molecules. The definition is a molecule of an element consists of fixed number of same type of atoms chemically combined. The examples are molecular chlorine and molecular oxygen and molecular nitrogen, and so many examples are there. Okay, okay. Cl2, it's made by what? Made by two chlorine atoms, same kind of chlorine atoms. Then O2, made by similar two oxygen atoms. Then N2, made by similar nitrogen atoms. Then second one is molecules of compounds. It's also called as heteroatomic molecules. What's the meaning of the term hetero? Yes, hetero means different. Okay, so this kind of molecules consist of a fixed number of different types of atoms chemically combined. The examples are water molecule. What is the formula for water? H2O. Okay, so the water molecule is made by what elements? Hydrogen and oxygen. Since it is made by two different elements, it can be called as molecules of compounds or heteroatomic molecules. Okay, and also ammonia. What's the formula for ammonia? NH3. So it's made by nitrogen and hydrogen. And hydrogen chloride, HCl. Students are in 7th standard now, so try to learn the formulae. Okay, when you come to higher classes, this will be useful to you. Okay, because these will be new. Water molecule, H2O, remember, you have to study. Then ammonia, NH3, you have to study. Then hydrogen chloride, HCl. Or by studying the name itself, you can try to write hydrogen chloride. So then surely it will be made by hydrogen atom and chlorine atom. So HCl. Okay, so this is the second classification, molecules of elements and molecules of compounds, or we can say homoatomic molecules and heteroatomic molecules. Okay, okay. Then the ratio of atoms remains fixed whether the molecule is in solid, liquid or gaseous state. Students, we know that water molecule can exist in three different physical states. It can be in solid state, ice. It can be in liquid states, liquid water. It can be in gaseous state, water vapor. So whatever the physical state may be, the chemical composition should be the same. There should be no change in the number of hydrogen atoms and number of oxygen atoms when there is a change in the physical states. Do you able to understand? Physical state maarumbodhu, their composition will not be changed. Even if the molecule is in solid state, liquid state or in gaseous state, there should be no change in the composition, chemical composition of the compound. Okay, so this principle applies to the molecules of all the compounds. Okay, students? Okay, with this, the classification of molecules over. Go through this video and learn well. Thank you.